Pour coffee into Coca-Cola. This mix works surprisingly well and delivers an unexpected result. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which have remarkable cleaning properties. Instant coffee has natural oils, a strong aroma, and a texture that affects how it blends with other ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee to a bottle of cola. Shake gently to combine, then pour the mixture into a larger bowl. Add another 3 tablespoons of instant coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. This ingredient plays an important role too. It acts as a natural abrasive. Prepare some dish soap as well. Dish soap effectively cuts through grease and grime. Add 1 tablespoon to the bowl. Take an empty cola bottle and carefully make a small hole in the cap. Using a funnel, pour the finished mixture back into the bottle. This homemade cleaner is great for washing dishes or scrubbing a dirty sink. Just pour a little onto the surface, scrub with a sponge, and rinse with water. Your dishes will be clean, shiny, and fresh. No need for expensive store-bought detergents.